Market to Market is everywhere you are. Subscribe to Market on YouTube, find us on the PBS video app to stream on demand, and add our 3 podcasts on your favorite podcasting app.
With Tax 12206.
Household inflation rose by the largest percentage since 2008 as consumers returned to the marketplace, only to find the products they want in short supply. The 4.2% increase over the last 12 months follows a smaller increase in March. The inflation numbers may be exaggerated due to the baseline numbers from a year ago are from the bottom of the economic contraction caused by COVID-19 shutdowns. The Consumer Price Index, which is heavily weighted towards shelter, can move dramatically even with small changes in the market for both purchases and rentals. More than 40% of the index is related to housing. Food is the second biggest component, which is weighted at 15%. The index for used cars and trucks led the way with a 10% climb in April, the largest jump since the series began in 1953. Automakers have slowed production due to a shortage of microchips, sending new car buyers into the used car market. The price jumps for autos account for 1/3 of the overall increase in inflation. The cost for shelter, airline fares, and recreation all had a large influence on the price index. The energy portion of the index did not factor in the increase in gas prices due to a pipeline shutdown in the southeast. The food index rose 0.4% in April, following a similar rise in March. All 6 major grocery store sectors experienced increases in the last month. Fruits and vegetables saw the biggest jump, followed by dairy and meats. Prices for food eaten out of home also rose 3.8% as restaurant traffic picked up. Energy prices fell 2.4% in April, which dampened the sector's 25% climb over the last 12 months, the largest increase in a decade. Gasoline is up 50% over the last 12 months as driving habits return to their pre-pandemic norms. This week, AAA reported the average price for a gallon of gas cost $3, surpassing the mark for the first time in 6 years. Analysts expect the climb to continue. The price of diesel fuel has increased 30% since its pandemic recession low 12 months ago, but is the same price as April 2019. The cost for shelter rose 2.1% over the last 12 months. Housing, both rental and owner-occupied, constitute the largest segment of the price index and household budgets. Home building of all kinds has lagged population growth in the United States since the 2007 burst of the housing bubble, and current building projects are hampered by a spike in lumber prices. The Federal Reserve believes that the increase in prices will slow in 2022 as producers catch up to consumer demand and COVID-related supply chain snags are smoothed.
It may take longer to reopen a $20 trillion economy than it did to shut it down. When we shut down big parts of the economy last year to deal with the virus, that put substantial but largely transitory downward pressure on the price level. And reopening the economy is putting some upward pressure on the price level, and we will need to be attuned to the data and following it closely.
For Market to Market, I'm Peter Tubbs.